So what has been our data journey at Steppingblocks? Well, in early years, when the company was actually founded, they were using what I call linear SQL, which is basically to run SQL statements one after another against a Postgres database to kind of transform this data. And back in the early days, the data was not nearly as big as it is today, but still it took a week to do this. And you were kind of running script after script to mutate the data and incorporate, and it was very painful and it was not replicable. Once you were kind of done at the end, since so many update statements have been run on so many tables in your database, you kind of could never go back in time, so to speak. It was very difficult. So that was a process that I saw when I arrived at the company at Steppingblocks 3 years ago. This is taking way too long. We can do a much better job. We were able to move all the legacy ETL process that was SQL-based to Spark. Now the processing time by the end of this, and we use a Spark overall for about 18 months, it took about 24 hours. Still with this process, right? And now where we are today, which is what we're talking about today as well, is the Dask ETL pipeline. So the same exact pipeline, but this time migrated to Dask, which we've been using now for 12 months with Wolf. Our processing time is about 6 hours. So you can see here great improvements here along the way.